main thing is you gotta know who you're talking to. If you're talking to the artist, they usually don't know what they're talking about. If you're talking to somebody at a label, you can talk to them directly. If you're talking to somebody who's just a creative director, you gotta understand how to approach them. So you gotta get them excited about what you're talking about. You gotta get them excited about their idea. You gotta show them that you are excited about their idea. You have to cater to them. And so if it's a label, if you just want to talk money with them, talk money with them. They'll do that with you, and as long as you're able to work with them on how they need their services delivered and how they need their licensing and all that, go ahead, talk money with them. With artists, I even have taken many risks where it's like, I'll send them the mood board, everything creative, before I even bring up a single dollar, just to know that I'm pushing something further than what their idea already was. So I'm really providing a lot of value to it. It seems so simple to say. You really have to understand who you're talking to. Even if it's like over DMs, go to their Instagram, see who follows them. If you know reputable people follow them, then there's a good chance that they know what they're talking about as far as what they can actually provide to you. And it's not like you're not just throwing shots at the dark trying to hope that something clicks.